I'm Chris.
I'm Tammy.
Moving Missouri 1 yard at a time.
Visit us at stcharlesrealestatetoday.com.
Number 6 Sawmill Way, located in the Heritage Subdivision in St. Charles, Missouri. This 3-bed, 2-bath ranch has undergone extensive renovation and is now like new. An open floor plan greets you with vaulted ceilings and modern amenities including granite countertops, brand new stainless steel appliances, and all new custom cabinetry. The master bedroom features a walk-in closet, a master bath suite, and access to the backyard and exposed aggregate patio. The property features a level corner lot with a large backyard and professionally installed landscaping. This home is close to schools, parks, shopping, and easy access to the Page Extension.